Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live class. Today I am going to discuss class 6 maths assignment 20th June solutions. Chapter name knowing our numbers. The first problem is medicine is packed in boxes each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. Okay, medicine is packed, one box they are packing the medicine. The weight of that box is how much? 4 kg 500 gram. That's what I written here in the solution. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg. So they are mentioning a van can carry a maximum load of 800 kg. So in that van, how many medicine boxes we can keep? That is what we should find here. So weight of each box of medicine is 4 kg 500 gram. I want to convert into smaller unit because kg gram both are there. Convert into smaller unit. You know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 4 kg is equal to 4 into 1000 plus 500. You will get 4500 grams. This is the weight of the medicine in terms of gram. Similarly, the weight of the van. The van can hold how much? Maximum capacity is 800 kg. This also you convert into smaller unit. You will get 800 into 1000. You will get 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. This is nothing but 8 lakh gram. 8 lakh gram is the total weight that the van can hold. It cannot beyond that. Now, number of boxes we have to find. So, number of boxes that we can keep on the vehicle. We keep on the van. It is greater value divided by smaller value. Always the number of, we have to find the count in the sense greater value divided by smaller value. So we'll get 8 lakh divided by 4500. So these zeros will get cancelled. Again 5 table, 5 9s are, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, then 0 0. We'll get 1600 by 9. No normal division and we should write only the quotient, no need remainder. If you divide only get 9 1s are 9 again, 9 1s are 9, remainder is 7, it will become 70, 9 7s are 63, again the remainder becomes 7, it is become 70, again 9 7s are 63, again if we keep a decimal point it will become 70 and it will goes on. So we can take approximate value, only whole numbers, 177 boxes it can hold. So the van can hold how many boxes? 177 boxes. Now we'll discuss the second problem. The distance between the school and the house of a student is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So the distance between the house and the student is house to school. She is going from house to school. The distance is 1 kilometer and 875 meter. She walks both the way. She from home to school she will walk. From school to home again she will come back walk. Okay. So I am going to convert this first to smaller unit. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. We all know that. You convert it to meters. So 1 into 1000 plus 875. You will get 1875 meter. This is the value she is walking from home to school. If she is coming back from school to home means again same 1875 meter. So how much the distance she walks in one day? She walks one day 1875 meter plus 1875 meter. 2 times no, she is walking. Go and she is coming back to home. So add this 5 plus 5 10, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 1 17. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. She is 3750 meter. This is the distance she is walking per day. They are asking to find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So 6 days means what you have to do? 1 day is 3750 means 6 days means 6 into 3750. So multiply by 6. 6 into 0 it is 0. 6 5s are 30. 6 7s are 42 45. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22. 22,500 meter. 22,500 meters she is walking. Again I want to convert it to kilometer. Therefore, she walks 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 1 by 1000 you will get 22 kilometer 500 meter for the 6 days. For 6 days. Now we'll discuss third problem. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. I hope you all know what is curd. It is how much quantity ma? 4 liters and 500 ml in a vessel. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? I am having in this problem the given data is in the vessel there are 4 liter 500 ml of curd is there. They are going to pour in glass. Glass measurement is how much? 25 ml only it can hold. So like that how many glasses they can pour this curd? Okay students, see here total quantity is given is 4 liter 500 ml and the capacity of each glass is 25 ml. So I want to convert everything into smaller unit. So you all know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So you will get 4 into 1000 plus 500. You will get 4500 ml. How much curd in ml? 4500 ml. Capacity of glass is already in ml only. Now I want to find the number of glasses it can be filled. Already I told you in the first problem, if you want to find the total number of glasses or total number in the sense larger value divided by smaller value. It's very simple. So the total number of capacity 4500 ml by 25 ml. ml will get cancelled. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. Okay. Again 5 table you can divide. 5 1s are 5. Remainder 40 will become 80. 5 8s are 40. So you get 180. Therefore, it can be filled in 180 glasses. Can be filled in how many glasses? 180 glasses of each 25 ml. Now we'll discuss fourth problem students. A person had rupees 10 lakh with him. I have wrote the problem in a very easy manner. You can understand step by step. A person had rupees 10 lakh with him. He purchased a color TV for rupees 16,580, a motorcycle for rupees 45,890 and a flat for rupees 8,70,000. He is having how much amount students? 10 lakh he is having. In this 10 lakh he is spending this much amount in TV, motorcycle and flat. He is spending that amount. What is the amount left with him? That is the question. We should find that value. How much amount is left with him? How to find that? We should find the total amount he spent first. After that, if you have to subtract with the actual amount he is having. So if you subtract this, you will get the amount left with him. Now we add this. How much total amount he spent? 0. 9 plus 8 it is 17. 14. Again 12. 6 plus 7 it is 13. Again 9. 9 lakh 32,000 rupees. 9 lakh 32,670 is spent. How much amount is having? 10 lakh. In this 10 lakh how much is spent? 9 lakh 32,470. How much amount is left with him then? Rupees 10 lakh minus 9 lakh 32,470. We should subtract these two. If you subtract, you get the value. Subtract and tell me 0 0 it is 0, or if you want to write in the vertical manner means no problem, write in vertical manner. So it is convenient for me to write in vertical means no problem, write in vertical manner and then subtract. Subtract it 0. 10 minus 7 it is 3. Then it will become 9. 9 minus 4 it is 5. Again 9 minus 2 it is 7. Again it is 9 minus 3 it is 6. Again it is 9 minus 9 it is 0. So you will get rupees 67,530. This is the actual amount. left with him after he spent for this much expenses. We will discuss the last problem, student. Chinmay had rupees 6,10,000, same as previous model. Previously, fourth problem is also same as that. In that they bought something, here he is giving to his friend some amount. Chinmay had rupees 6,10,000. He gave rupees 87,500 to Jyoti and he gave 1,26,380 to his one more friend Jayward and 3,50,000 to one more his friend John. This much amount he gave to his friend. What is the amount left with him? So last problem, how much he spent? That total minus the actual amount what he is having. Like that only you have found. No? Similarly, here you have to find how much amount totally he have given. So what you have to do? We have to add these three values: 0, 8, 8, 13, 16, 5. It is rupees 5,63,880 he had given to his friends. The total amount gave by Chinmay. How much amount he gave? 5,63,880. How much amount will be left with him? The total amount minus the actual amount he have given is the answer. So same as that you write rupees 6,10,000 minus rupees how much he spent? 5,63,880. So what we have to do? We have to subtract. If you subtract, what you will get? Here it is 0. Here it will become 10 minus 8 it is 2. 9 minus 8 it is 1. Again here 9 minus 3 it is 6. Here it is 0 it will become 10. 10 minus 6 it is 4. Again 5 minus 5 it is 0. Therefore rupees 46,120 is left with him. Actually he is having 6,10,000. After he gave this much amount to three members, the total amount we found and we subtracted with the actual amount. So we are getting the remaining amount as 46,120 is left with him. Thank you, students.